In this video, you'll learn how to teach on Udemy, from creating an instructor account to publishing and promoting your course. This guide will provide you with a clear understanding of each step in the process. Begin by creating a Udemy instructor account. If you do not already have one, visit the Udemy website and look for the option labeled Become an Instructor. Click on this option to start the sign-up process. You will need to enter your email address and create a password. After filling in the required information, complete your profile by adding necessary details such as your name and a brief bio. Once this is done, you will be directed to the instructor dashboard, which is where you can manage your courses, upload materials, and monitor student activity. Ensuring your instructor profile is complete is essential to build trust with potential students. Next, prepare your course content by planning its structure before recording any lessons. Begin by dividing your course into sections and lectures, making it easier for students to follow along. When recording your video lessons, ensure they are of high quality and clearly explain each topic. Additionally, consider incorporating quizzes, assignments, and downloadable resources to enhance the learning experience. It is important to check that your audio and video quality meet Udemy's guidelines. A well-organized course structure not only facilitates student learning, but also increases engagement and positive reviews. Once you have uploaded all your course materials, proceed to review the content carefully. After confirming everything is in order, submit the course for approval. Udemy will evaluate whether your course meets their platform standards and policies. This review process may take some time, so be patient. After your course is approved, it will be published on the marketplace, making it available for students to discover through search results and recommendations. After publication, it is crucial to promote your course effectively. Utilize social media platforms and email marketing to reach a wider audience. Consider creating engaging posts that highlight the unique aspects of your course. Encourage your students to leave reviews, as positive feedback can significantly enhance your course's visibility. Consistent promotion over time is essential for attracting more students and increasing enrollment. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching. And catch you in the next tutorial.